Yeah, so if you've ever wondered what a cheese factory looks like, this is it. This is the Tillamook cheese factory. Okay, honey, now is your Tillamook ice cream.
Tillamook ice cream is wonderful. And I got the peach and the campfire special, campfire peanut butter cup. What'd you get?
I got Marionberry and Huckleberry. And it's really, really good.
Yeah.
Probably the best ice cream I've ever tasted.
The Tillamook factory does a great job in teaching you about what happens with the cheese and the ice cream. And they're farmer owned, a co-op, and have been since 1909.
So cheers to Tillamook.
Find some Tillamook and enjoy.
Hey y'all, we're standing in front of the Tillamook Creamery. So Paul, will you tell us a little bit about this place?
Yeah, Tillamook Creamery and Cheese Factory, they are a farmer-owned cooperative. And when you come here and go on the tour, you see how the cheese is made. They also talk about their ice creams. You can get samples of cheeses, learn their history, go by the ice cream bar and have some ice cream. And it's just a wonderful tour. I said they show you from the milk coming in to the cheese going out.
And the tour is free. It's actually self-guided.
That's right. So they have different options. They do have a gift shop. You can get plenty of supplies, and we did.
Show them what we got.
We got some cheddar cheese, Tillamook cheese. We got Tillamook
Huckleberry ice cream.
Mountain Huckleberry ice cream.
Yummy.
Some shredded cheese. And there's a surprise in here for Sarah for later.
Aw, aren't you sweet?
I'm not going to show it to you. So, for now, from Tillamook, Oregon, we'll say
bye y'all.